in Athens, and to have been able to make this happen, thanks to Daniela, we have been able to organize the first Death Café in Athens. I looked at the International Death Café registry to see, and there has never been recorded a Death Café in Athens, and so we are here to bring Death Café to the community.
So yeah, I'm very thankful to Wilka that she came to do this. Actually, it was the first time I heard about it. We met in Mexico and she told me about this thing, besides all the things that she does, and she's doing a lot. And when she told me about the Death Café, we thought it was a very good idea to make it here. And I didn't know anything about it. So yeah, I'm very happy, especially because by coincidence, we are very close to the 2nd of November, which is the Day of the Dead in Mexico that we all know. And it's one of the things that actually Greeks, they know about, they are very interested in, even though they are afraid and at the same time they are curious about it. So I thought, okay, it's perfect timing to make this Death Café for Greeks to be able to talk about death in a completely different environment, in a completely different way, that they are quite serious about death itself. And so this is the first time, for me at least, to share this kind of like new way of seeing it to my friends and the people that I know here, including therapists, including all kinds of people. So let's see. But I'm very happy to have Wilka here. I'm very interested to see what's going to happen.
I'm also very interested to see what comes of a Greek Death Café, because I have done Death Cafés in Mexico with Mexicans and with North Americans and Canadians mostly, and so, and some international. But in general, it's going to be interesting to be with the Greek community and see what comes up.
What comes up? Yeah, let's see. Thank you.
What I want to say is that genetically we know that the loss of a lover is something that is not being accepted in our human, in all life, in our brains. When a lover is going away from us because this lover found another lover, or because they don't want us anymore, they're not in love with us anymore, or because we all have this experience of losing someone. The feeling is like someone dies, right? But we know that this is not the death, it's not death, because if there is death, we can accept that. We accept death by definition. The penguin accepts death, cannot accept something else because it's not happening in the penguin life. But in human beings, we cannot accept it. So that's why we say that the separation from a lover is like a small death, because we have the same feeling. And this is happening because our brains do not have this space in any logical or unlogical or any physical or metaphysical way, that there is a space that can accept this experience, the loss of a lover.